Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is gonna be very different from all the videos that you guys are used to watch, but today's video is about my fertility. But before I continue with my video, I will invite you to subscribe to my channel, click the notification button so you don't miss any of my fertility videos that I'm 100% sure are gonna help you a lot in the process if you're looking to conceive in a natural way. Francisco and I have been trying to get pregnant for the past 2 years, and we have not been successful, even though we are both perfectly fine according to all the exams and blood work that we did in California. And since everything is fine and we haven't been successful, we have decided to try neural therapy. Neural therapy is a form of alternative medicine in which local anesthetic is injected in certain locations of your body. The anesthetic, I think I have some points written down here, is called Procain or lidocaine. So this works kind of like acupuncture. They use those points that they use on acupuncture and they inject this anesthetic. This therapy was created in Germany in late 1990s, I think. And it's funny because I used this in the past. I use it to heal myself from sore throats. When I used to live in New York, I used to get really bad sore throat, and I would get fever and chills, and it was very uncomfortable to the point that the doctor in New York told me that I had to remove my glands. But I went to Cali, to my city, and I started neural therapy, and I was healed, and I still have my glands. Then I used to live in Mexico, and I love the street food in Mexico. Is the best. The taquitos are the best. So I was eating for like 3-4 months every single day on the streets, and my colon was irritated, like really bad, to the point that I could not go to the bathroom. So again, I went back to Cali, my city in Colombia, and I did neural therapy, and that worked super wonderful. So I am a strong believer of natural medicine, homeopathic medicine. I grew up like that. My mom still heals herself with homeopathic medicine. My grandma does that too. So why not give it a try, right? So we're gonna use neural therapy for my fertility, but we're gonna do as well IV. We're gonna do vitamin C IV and two other, let me see, because I don't want to make a mistake, 2 other medicines that they are homeopathic as well, that they come from Germany, Metro-adnex and Ovarium Compositum. I'm gonna write down everything over there, and then once I get to the doctor's office, I'm gonna show you the boxes, the names, and everything, because right now I just have whatever she sent me on the email. So basically, I'm very excited for this treatment. And if you girls are looking to get pregnant, and if your case is not severe like mine, my case is very mild because everything is perfect. So that's what I think, hopefully. So if you girls are looking to get pregnant, why not try first the holistic medicine that is out there? I have to go to Colombia, and actually I have to come here to Colombia and do this procedure because some of the medicines are not in the United States, even though this is well known in Germany and some places in Europe, also in South America. Unfortunately, in the United States, it's not. However, you can try to change your diet, which is what I'm doing right now, together with all this therapy that I am about to start. It is going to be 3 months, which I have to see my doctor 4 times out of the month. I don't think every time I go there is gonna be the same. I think some days it's gonna be just the IV, vitamin C, with the 2 different homeopathic medicines, and maybe twice a month she's gonna do the neural therapy. I strongly believe in neural therapy. If you get a chance to go to South America or Germany, I don't know if you're in Europe or there, try it because it's very healthy. It's just something that is not gonna give you a side effect, and I believe you can try that before you even try the in vitro process. So, but anything that you hear right here on my video, this is my case. Always talk to your doctor before making any decisions. Do your research like I did. And for me, it was very simple because I did neural therapy in the past, and I have done IV, vitamin C, and I have taken so many vitamins, natural vitamins. So for me, this is not something that is rare. To me, this is something that is very familiar. I grew up with this. The only difference is that now I am applying this therapy for fertility purposes, but it is good for everything. Neural therapy, if you do the research, is very good for chronic pains like lower back pain, knee pain, elbows. It's just magnificent. They even use it in patients that have cancer in Europe and some places in Colombia as well. But before you do anything, just talk to your doctor, make sure that your case is good candidate for neural therapy, because I am not a doctor. I am just sharing my experience with you, and I'm very excited to tell you step by step my process. And if I am successful with this, which I'm 100% positive this will help me, then I'm gonna be super, super happy that you can try this too. So besides all this therapy, I am changing my diet. It is not such a big change because I already eat everything organic and natural. I don't eat processed food at all or canned food at all, never, ever, ever. And the only thing that I'm changing is that I'm not drinking that much coffee as before, and I don't eat red meat at all, but I eat fish and chicken. So I'm gonna try to moderate those, maybe once a week or twice a week. And also, this is really funny because every year I stop drinking for 5 months just to detox my body. So right now I am in that period where I am not drinking for 6 months or 5 months. So that's gonna be great because that's another thing that you need to change. If you drink, maybe stop drinking. And if you smoke, I'm not a smoker, stop smoking. So just little changes here and there. And besides that, I also bought an online fertility course, and this therapist is amazing. She's in Spain, but she's originally from Argentina. So I see her once a week, every Thursday morning. We have our meetings, but then you do all the modules online. And if you have any questions or if you don't understand something, you will see her on Thursday and you will talk to her. She recommended to me 2 really amazing books that opened my mind. You can find them in English too. This is one. It is called Fertility Natural Method Natris. So basically is medicina natural, fertility, natural fertility, and you can enhance your fertility by eating healthy. So, and the other one, I don't know the name, but I'm just gonna put it there because I left it in my place in Los Angeles because I finished that one. So I didn't want to carry that many things, many bags to Colombia. I tried to travel light, and I'm just gonna put the name right there because that book was amazing. When I first went to the doctor, he told me that my egg quality wasn't that good and I cannot generate or create more eggs a month because that's the way it is. And that wasn't true. You can change the quality of your eggs and the quantity of your eggs just by eating super clean, super healthy. And that book opened my mind and my eyes so big. And also they keep telling me, oh no, because you are in your mid-30s, it's gonna be really hard for you to get pregnant. You're not 20 anymore, so your egg quality is not as good as before. Your egg quality will not improve, will not get any better. But that's not true. There's a lot of vitamins that you can just take, and there are even vitamins that you can take over the counter that I didn't even know. I'm not a big fan of vitamins. I've never taken vitamins, so now is a good time for me to start. And also talk to your doctor. Ask your doctor what are the right vitamins for you, because some vitamins are not supposed to mix together. They're not do well when you mix them together. So always talk to your doctor. So that book is amazing. I will totally recommend you guys to read those two books. Those are like life changers for me, because I was very upset at the beginning. I was like, oh my God, because now I'm old, I cannot have babies and it's gonna be a hassle. But thank God for these people that they still believe in natural medicine and eating healthy. Another very interesting thing that I read on the book is that if you fast, if you do intermediate fasting, or if you do maybe 3 days of just green juices, that will help you detox your body, and that will enhance your fertility too. So I have been talking too much, so I'm gonna stop right now and I'm gonna drive to my doctor's office, and once I'm there, I'm going to show you everything step by step, and I'm gonna ask her a few questions for you guys to understand this process a little better. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification button so you don't miss my next video, because on the next video is where I'm going to explain the step by step of this therapy that I'm doing. I'll see you next Sunday. Ciao, ciao.